Boost your brain power, 6 memory-enhancing foods. Welcome to our video on 6 memory-enhancing foods that can help boost your brain power. Your brain is an incredible organ that needs proper nutrition to function at its best. Let's dive into the foods that can improve your memory. First on the list is blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, these delicious berries can help protect your brain from oxidative stress and improve memory function. Next, we have fatty fish such as salmon, trout, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and can enhance memory and learning. Third is turmeric. This spice contains an active compound called curcumin that has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier and help improve memory and cognitive function. Moving on to leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are excellent sources of antioxidants and vitamins that can improve brain health and slow down cognitive decline. Fourth on the list is pumpkin seeds. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with magnesium, iron, zinc, and antioxidants that can enhance memory and overall brain function. Nuts are our next memory-boosting food. Almonds, walnuts, and peanuts are packed with nutrients like vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants that can improve brain health and enhance memory. Last but not least, we have dark chocolate. This delicious treat is not only a mood lifter but also contains flavonoids and antioxidants that can improve blood flow to the brain and enhance memory and focus. Incorporating these memory-enhancing foods into your diet can have a positive impact on your brain health and cognitive function. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on how to improve your overall well-being.